Everyone thinks the best-selling air compressor hoses are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Flexilla Air Hose. First up is the Flexilla Air Compressor Hose. Priced around $34, this one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 5,900 reviews at an impressive 4.6 star rating. If you want a hose that's super flexible and durable, this is worth a serious look. The Flexilla hose is made from a hybrid polymer that stays flexible in extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can use it all year round without worrying about it kinking or becoming stiff. Plus, it has a maximum working pressure of 300 psi, which is great for heavy-duty tasks. The abrasion-resistant outer cover and crush-resistant fittings are designed to last, making it perfect for both professionals and home use. With over 1,000 units sold just in the last month, it's clear people trust this product. Now, some people mention that it can be a bit on the heavier side compared to other hoses. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability and performance, that extra weight often translates to better quality. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable hose for tough jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and compact. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if Flexilla's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, YOTO Polyurethane Recoil Hose. Next up is the YOTO Polyurethane Recoil Air Hose, which retails at about $19.99. With a 4.7 star rating from 5,400 reviews, it's quite popular. If you want a compact, self-coiling hose that saves space, this is definitely worth considering. The YOTO hose is made of durable polyurethane, which means it's lightweight and kink-resistant. At 25 feet long and 1/4 inch in diameter, it recoils automatically when not in use, helping you keep things tidy. It delivers up to 150 psi, which is suitable for many home and DIY applications. The included quick connect fittings make it easy to attach to your air compressor, and it operates efficiently even in cold weather, from -40 degrees to +150 degrees Fahrenheit. This matters if you often work outside in varying conditions. Some users reported that the hose can feel a bit stiff when first used. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. It loosens up after a few uses, and many find it actually works better once it's been stretched out a bit. This is perfect for you if you need a hose that saves space and is easy to manage. Skip this if you require a longer reach for larger projects. For the price, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a complete kit. Product number 3, YOTO Air Compressor Accessories Kit. Now, let's talk about the YOTO Heavy Duty Air Compressor Accessories Kit, priced at $34.99. With a 4.5 star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's a great all-in-one solution. If you need everything you need to kickstart your air compressor projects, this is definitely worth a look. This kit includes a 25-foot polyurethane air hose, a tire inflator gauge, and a variety of air fittings. The hose itself is designed for maximum flexibility and durability, and it can handle up to 150 psi. The included tire inflator is super handy for quick inflation jobs, especially if you often work on cars or bikes. Having all these tools in one kit means you can tackle multiple tasks without needing to buy additional accessories separately. However, some users found the tire inflator to be a bit tricky to use at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a time saver, especially in emergency situations. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit for various air compressor tasks. Skip this if you already have some of these items and just need a hose. For what you get, it's a solid deal. Now, if that kit felt a bit overwhelming, let's simplify things with a straightforward option. Product number 4, WYNNSKY PVC Hose Kit. Next, we have the WYNNSKY 3/8 x 25-foot PVC Air Compressor Hose Kit, priced at $23.99. With a sturdy 4.5 star rating from 4,400 reviews, this one stands out for DIY enthusiasts. If you want a reliable hose kit without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This PVC hose is lightweight, yet designed for long-lasting use, ideal for all your DIY projects. It comes with 17 pieces of air tool accessories, so you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. The max working pressure of 300 psi gives you peace of mind when working on demanding tasks. The solid brass fittings are rust-resistant, which means you won't have to worry about corrosion over time. This is perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution. Some users have noted that the hose could be a bit stiff out of the box. But honestly, a little use usually softens it up, making it easier to manage. This is perfect for you if you're starting out and want a complete kit for your air compressor. Skip this if you're a seasoned pro looking for high-performance hoses. At this price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you want something more specialized, let's look at our final option. Product number 5, Chromie Recoil Air Hose. Finally, there's the Chromie 1/4 in X 25-foot polyurethane recoil air hose. Priced at $17.09. This one has a 4.6-star rating from 5,300 reviews. If you're after something compact and easy to store, this could be just what you need. The Chromie hose is also made from a durable polyurethane, which is lightweight and resists kinking and abrasion. Its self-coiling design is perfect for keeping your workspace neat, and it operates at a max pressure of 120 psi. The double swivel 1/4 MNPT brass ends make it easy to connect, and it has great cold weather flexibility, which is awesome if you work in varying temperatures. Some users have mentioned that the hose might feel a bit short for larger jobs. But I'll be real with you. For smaller tasks, the 25-foot length is usually just right, and the recoil feature makes storage a breeze. This is perfect for you if you need an easy-to-handle hose for quick jobs. Skip this if you often handle larger projects requiring longer hoses. For the price, it's a steal. That wraps up our list of the top 5 latest air compressor hoses. Each offers unique features to suit different needs, from flexibility to complete kits. To recap, we've looked at the Flexilla air hose for durability, Wyokeo's recoil hose for compactness, the comprehensive Wyokeo kit, the versatile WYNSKY kit, and the easy-to-store Chromie recoil hose. Each option has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best before making a purchase. Happy air compressing!